Good afternoon. This is the third test of a SlingStudio Hub, and it is a audio test. Yesterday when we, or day before yesterday when we did first and second test, we had a problem. Well, not really a problem, but we noticed that the better sound quality was coming from the camcorder versus the cell phones. So what we're doing now is we're trying to just use the audio from the camcorder, even when we make changes as far as what camera we're using. We still want the audio to come from the from the camcorder. We want the pictures to come from the cell phones, but audio quality seemed to be better coming from the cell phone. So we're going to try that for a couple of minutes to see if it's actually going to work for us. We're also going to try to zoom in and zoom out a little bit to see where that goes, and we'll let you see how that looks. So hopefully we can do this at a function to add a little diversity to the presentation. So especially at church, and even in interviews, if we have the let's say we have the camcorder set up on the person that we're interviewing, and then we just would be able to zoom in and out, because you get their features and you get what's going on with them. So hopefully that'll be all right. We hope. I haven't tried this yet, so let me see if I can do this and see what it comes up with. Oh, it just drops in. Cool. We have tried some dissolves and some fades. Let's try this. This should be there you go, a wipe. Been doing it for about a little over 2.5 minutes. So we're gonna hopefully in this test, hopefully the volume didn't change, and we kept the audio from here with video from all three cameras. So hopefully that'll be the situation. But right now we're gonna go ahead and fade to oh, okay, wait a minute now. I just saw something. All right now. A double click on the one you want, and it goes right to it, and it fades in. I like that. Just gotta play with it, gotta learn. Let me see what this one's gonna be like. Oh, nice. Just double click. No, nothing real hard. Just put it on in. Double click the one you want. Okay, so that's it. We've learned a little something. We've done a little something today. Hopefully the audio test, we won't be able to learn that until after we load it up or play it or send it to another place. But we're going to do that right now, and we'll let you know how it's going. All right. Thanks so much. Holla at you. Peace. Oh, just in case you don't know, we're going to fade to black.